going to show you how to set up face, fingerprint as well as passcode on your Realme 5 Pro. Now this can also apply to other Realme phones. So if you have got other Realme phones, it also applies to that as well. So in channel. Alright guys, let's begin with this video then. So in order to set up your fingerprint or face as well as passcode, just go to settings here. So inside the settings you will find fingerprint, face and passcode. Just tap on that once, and here are a few different settings that you can change. The first thing is what I have done is I have set the pattern code. Like if I want to unlock the phone, what I will do is, so I will swipe up like this and I have set this pattern code. Okay. So in order to set that passcode, you have to tap on lock screen passcode. So in order to modify passcode, if you want to disable the passcode, you can just tap on this and right away disable it. So as you can see, it disabled completely. If I just lock and unlock the phone, there is no pattern asking here. So in order to set up a passcode, just tap on turn on passcode. Now it will ask you to enter some PIN numbers. Other than that, what you can do is just tap on this other encryption method. There is pattern code here. So I will start drawing a pattern here. So after I draw it 2 times, so you are recommended to bind your lock screen password to an email. In case you forget your passcode, it will show you in the email. So it will send you an email showing you what passcode you have actually set. So it's very convenient feature. You can set your email if you have internet connection, otherwise you can always cancel if you think that you remember the passcode. So now that we have set the passcode, if I just lock and unlock the screen, see it asks me to pattern unlock. Now you can either enroll your fingerprint right away from here, otherwise take back, tap on this fingerprint, draw the pattern just now we have set, and once you do that, add a fingerprint. Just tap on this one. So as you can see, the fingerprint is on the rear side. You can just keep tapping. As you can see, I am just tapping away like this in all the different directions. So once you have done that, done, there is a green mark here, continue, just tap on it, and again here your fingerprint is set. You can set multiple fingerprints, like if you are using your phone with right hand, you can also set the right hand fingerprint by using your right hand. Now this is finger 1, you can also rename it. If I don't want this, if I want to rename it as a left hand finger, I can rename it like this and just tap on tick mark here and take back. So it is now renamed. So you can add multiple fingerprints just like this. Use fingerprints for unlock, app lock, private safe. You can choose private safe another finger, like if you want to access private safe, you can use your other fingers and set it up. So that way it's very helpful. Not all can access. Again, there is separate fingerprint for app lock as well, which is really nice. That way you can also set it to similar one here. As you can see, I'll create a pattern code for app lock. So let's draw a pattern code and confirm this. What is the name of one of your teachers? You have to give this one, otherwise you can change your question or create your own question here. So let's say I choose this one and I'll type ABCD for demonstration purpose. Once we have done that, tap on done. So for app lock as well, I have set the fingerprint, right? So we will quickly lock the phone and see how fast this one is. As you can see, boom, there you go. Lock the phone, use fingerprint, instant. Very instant it is. You don't have to swipe back up again like the other phones do. So this is how you set up your fingerprint. In order to enroll face unlock, just tap on face again. Now draw the pattern what we have drawn earlier. So once we have done that, here's the option enroll face. Tap on continue. So I'll just enroll my face because there is camera here. So once it appears green, now the face is recognized. Turning on raise to turn on screen, that means when you just turn the hold your phone away like this to your face, it will automatically recognize and turn on the screen. Like let's say if I turn this off, swipe up to open. If you don't want that swipe up option directly, if you want to unlock your phone with your face, just select this option. This is very nice and very quick way of unlocking your phone. So we'll lock the phone and try to unlock it. Boom, there you go. So another attempt. See how fast the face unlock is, brilliant. So that's how you write the software to make it perform really fast. So this is how you unlock your face. Like I said, keep this option directly with your face. If you don't want to again swipe up the screen, that will be a 2-step process. Closed eyes will fail face recognition. So if you close your eyes and it should not open it for you, you can always enable this one. Added security feature. Screen brightness compensation under dim surroundings, just enable this one, because while at night if you try to unlock, sometimes if it doesn't unlock, so this will always help. Face for unlock. Alright, you can also set it to app lock as well as private safe face recognition. Again, a full-fledged feature from Realme 5 Pro. So guys, these were the settings that you need to change in order to set up your fingerprint, face as well as passcode. I hope this video helped you. Yeah, hit that like button, share it with your friends.